Hey guys, Mike Internet Pro. Want to show you some results to kind of give you some encouragement for what I'm about to explain. Let's go ahead and log into my PayPal account real quick. Topic at hand is PayPal income, how to make residual PayPal income. Okay, so I'm just gonna jump right in real quick and show you once this loads. Okay, you can see guys the money I'm making. I'm gonna come over here to payments received. Okay, and you can see the type of money that I'm earning on a regular basis. It comes in. Now I'm gonna show you some. If you look at the dates, that's the most important part, really, more than the actual money coming in, because you can see that every single day multiple payments are coming in. Okay, that's really the key that I want you to see. Okay, is the multiple payments. Some of these are for other payments, but the majority doesn't really matter. Like, it's really about the system that I'm about to show you how to work the system. You can see all these payments coming in like on the 19th. Okay, these 50-cent payments are real important because they turn into $17 payments. Okay, like you can see a $17 payment here. You see all these 17s. Okay, this is the type of money that is real important to make. Okay, and the reason why is because it comes in residually, like constantly. Okay, let's go to the board. Let me show you how this works. Okay, it's really simple. This won't take me long to explain, but the first thing you want to do is get into a program that offers you everything. Like, it's like a one-stop shop. Okay, you'll find the link below. You can buy your traffic there. You can get your squeeze page set up. You can get your autoresponder set up. You can get your emails to be sent out. You can get that set up, and you have your product. Okay, that's all set up for you under the one package. Okay, I'm gonna break this down now. This is your traffic, and you're gonna move your traffic to your squeeze page. Okay, or landing page, some people call it. Okay, we'll call it squeeze page. And from your squeeze page, you're gonna go to the autoresponder. Okay, and that can be like Aweber or GetResponse or whatever you use. And then from there, they're gonna receive the swipes from you. Those are the little advertisements that come in their email account. So we're gonna just put swipes. Okay, and from the swipes, they're gonna get the product. They're gonna be able to see the product. Okay, here's the product. They have the opportunity to see the product. Okay, and once they see the product, it's gonna turn in a percentage. It's gonna turn into a sale for you. Okay, so when they go from the swipe into the product, this is your sales page. They're actually gonna buy. Okay, then you're gonna use this money to purchase your traffic again. Okay, and this is a full business model. Okay, SBM. This is a business model, and this is going to be something you can do for years and years and years, because it's basically on its own axle, or it's its own gear. Okay, it's really like each gear is turning the other, but for the sake of this video, I'll just say this is one complete gear, and all of this is just a recycle. Okay, it's just a wash, rinse, repeat. Okay, you're going to start up with some cash, so it's going to have to come from your bank or some money that's already in your PayPal account from somewhere. So say this is your bank or whatever, and you have your job. So your job and your bank, wherever you get your money from, that's going to have to go into the traffic the very first time. Okay, after that, it works all by itself. Okay, you'll join underneath this video. You'll join for $1. Okay, then after that, it's going to be $34 a month. And what that does is give you access to all of the web pages. It gives you access to all the training, and it gives you access to be able to purchase the traffic. Okay, so once you purchase the traffic, that's it. You have everything now. Okay, and it just works around and around. And that's, guys, how I get the PayPal payments. Okay, you just buy traffic. Traffic goes to the squeeze page. Squeeze page goes to autoresponder. Autoresponder sends out the swipes. Okay, which are the messages, the advertisement. Advertisement goes to the sales page. A certain percentage will buy. Okay, this can go back into your bank account, and the other part will go into traffic. Okay, and you can just decide how you want to do that split. If you want to do 50 50 50, or if you want to do 80-20, 20% goes back into traffic, 80% goes into my pocket. You can decide how you want to do that. But when you first get started, if you can afford it, if you have some other way of making income, I would say put 100% back into traffic, because the more you put into traffic, the more money you're gonna make when it comes back around this way. Okay, that's the way it works. The more you put in here, the more money you'll make when it comes back around. Okay, then once you're satisfied with the income you're earning per month, then you can start doing a split. Like 70% goes into your pocket and 30% goes into the traffic. You could decide how you want to do that. But really, guys, that is the key. Okay, that is residual income. All right. So and again, when people buy, it's monthly that they pay. So that in itself is its own residual income, property right there. And then this whole entire funnel system is residual. So it works really both ways. You get paid monthly from this, so this is security, and this whole business model is residual, repeating. It's a constant cycle, and so in that sense, it's residual. Okay, it'll work if you work it. All you have to do is just do this, because everything's been tested. Okay, so I hope that answers your questions. I hope you understand. That's how you make PayPal income, and really income with anything you want online. So with that said, guys, go ahead and click the link below and get started today. Only cost you $1. See you inside.